Yeah.
Okay, so what can I tell you about the snow? I usually go to I haven't every day.
No, don't be. Real cold.
Portland! At the green.
Yeah, even more in Great Barrington.
Oh yeah, did you go to it?
Like, that was nice.
Did you
I mean, we drove down from Lennox.
Yeah.
Mississippi on my mind.
So if you put your fingers here and hold that's how this attaches right here. Like this. Go like this. Right here by your ears, back here. Open and close your mouth. Try that. No, that one's fine. This one.
Doesn't matter if it's gold.
Is there butter?
Yeah, I haven't seen her.
Yeah, I just saw it just so stuck.
How's it going, popcorn man? Good. He's doing a great job. He's very excited. Yeah, he's on it. Yeah. And it was delicious. Good. Yeah, and the popcorn kernels. Or the popcorn kernels on Amazon. They were like the honey and cider dips. They'll come before I'm out of work. And they got transferred to USPS, and our mail gets delivered so late.
Hi, Rory.
Nikki's here. This crop.
He's got more to cut.
Yeah, it's kind of funny when you get that mentality of trading out of the deer. Today was like the last day.
Are you going through all the different shops now?
Yeah, right now I'm in academics because our shop cycle just ended Thursday. I start not this Wednesday, next Wednesday. This Wednesday I have off. For some reason. I think it's like teacher development or something.
What you like to see? Right.
Are you sure you're okay with having those?
Yeah, that's fine. How does he feel about sleeping on the canvas bed? We just got a new canvas tent. Got a wood burning stove. Nice. Winter camping. It's not bad.
So you turn this?
Yep, well, it starts with the chop them up because our grinder can't take the apples. We'll grind them up, put them in the basket, and then we'll press them. Yeah, good. And then we'll play with different varieties to get different flavors.
That's all right. Go ahead.
So we're mixing a couple different varieties here. So this one is Empire. Northern Spies.
Amazing.
Yeah. Wow. Turley Wine Sap and Ida Reds. So this one.
No, we never would cry again. One day he split the shelter. He just could not refrain. Sometimes life's a damn mystery. There's no one left to blame. Crazy tale, so they call it crazy.
So I got now there's 2 fighters that
So keep the black like it is in here, but all I want is my gun. I want is my gun. No. I want is my gun. Same one? Just trying to want the same color? Yep. They can be split. The green one. Hi, how are you? Good. A little bit of sticky. All right. There you go, my dear. Got it down. Okay. 30. Okay. I think Addie's going to do a kitty pose. Okay, thank you. Okay. All right. How about up here, my dear?
I got this love driving down that highway. Hey, Otto. Hi. How are you guys? How are you? I should go get my face painted. There you are.
Oh, I see Meg.
Don't marry. I told the owner. Oh, that's yours?
I know, yes, earlier.
The judges are currently pressing the pause. And then once the judges are on this one, after we announce.
I think they are.
I see a warrior. See?
I'm ready for number 5.
Oh, and you know, the guys who won this they went last year.
Didn't you have to eat all of this?
Oh, okay.
What's that? You have to eat all of that?
Oh my God.
Yes.
Very official.
It was the senior citizens. They made 2 pies and they won 2nd and 3rd place this year. What's that?
Which pies were they?
Oh, which pies? Oh, they made an apple and an apple cranberry. Our first place was
Camera.
Tracy Wilson, who made a peanut butter pie.
Oh, I didn't get it.
Oh, okay, Mom's bringing her prize.
What are you doing? Say, I am. And Eric Veeden has to sit right here with me. See the crack. I will, but that's no fun. I want to fall. Then maybe I can rest today. Okay, so what's your name? Hey, I can hear you. Yay. Elias? And this is Ollie.
A billion stars all around, and I got a peaceful, easy feeling. I know you won't let me.
That was so fun.
Oh, it's nice to sing.
Sticky, yeah, I know.
Do you feel the fresh air? The biggest deal camera. Let's on a car. Let's see. Come here. You have to show. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like diamonds in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Who is that cute munchkin? How old is that baby?
She's 11 months.
11 months. That's my favorite cuddly month. It's like a little butterball. It's so cute. Oh. I got a new piano. Got by my house next time and you don't get to see over that. Love it's made me now.
No one ever likes
So that's all right. What are you going to do with your 1 carat diamond? Watch out, Adeline. Wait. You don't want to pinch your finger. There we go. Take it Here, Guillaume, come dance with me. This is Guillaume. This is my son and what are you? You're something to me. He's my nephew-in-law.
Nephew-in-law, yeah.
There you go. I figured it out.
And then I was saying, Jill, wait up. Jill, come up here. Thank you.